Hey everyone, if Perplexity AI isn't saving your chats, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the most common fixes step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Perplexity AI saves chats to the cloud, so if your connection is weak or unstable, chats may not save properly. Next, try refreshing the page or restarting the app. Sometimes a quick reload triggers the chat to save correctly and ensures your conversation is stored. Try clearing your browser or app cache. Corrupted cache files can block chat data from saving, so clearing them often resolves the problem. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. If you're using a different or temporary account, chats may not be saved to your main profile. Also check if Perplexity AI servers are experiencing issues. Server delays or outages can prevent chats from saving, and in that case, you may need to wait until it's resolved. Finally, make sure your app or browser is updated. Updates usually include bug fixes that prevent chats from failing to save. And yeah, that's it. That's how you fix Perplexity AI when chats aren't saving and get everything working smoothly again. Hey everyone,